Hello guys, welcome back with me. Okay, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, I want the article about a Tozio, a phone that boy dropped low it after 200k defense reason. But I'm a strong and the man behind Bitboy Crypto said the debt dropping in the formations with again fellow YouTube content creator Ellen Menshol GR goes by the name A Tozi are among strong official file the suite again Mars Mansol GR on Augustus 12 in the response to a November 2021 video titled "This YouTube Scam Has Been Bitboy Crypto" was alleged that Armstrong was dishonestly promoting Dobby sauce as to the audiences as spam for his again he was seeking uh, in damages over the order. Uh, Are cryptocurrency games innocent fund or the Ponzi scams facing in the imminent crackdown by regulators in the United States? Token related to cryptocurrency games now college on the game FI as of mid-August give out the tag few billion. The number may vary depending on whether you want to include partially finished project, how you count in the number of tokens that project technical have the calculation and so on in the sense whether the games. And the question the investors have considered and that as oversight they may sound regret. The tavern in the DFI Kingdom, Rudy Takala is the opinion auditor on the contract. The tavern in the DFI Kingdom, Rudy Takala is the opinion editor Cointelegraph. He worked formerly as the editor or reported a newsroom that include a newsroom, a crowd in the Hill and the Washington Examiner. The tavern in DVA Kingdom Ruby, the Hill and the Washington Examiner, and they hold a master degree political communication from American University in Washington D.C. Are cryptocurrency games innocent fund or the Ponzi scams facing in the imminent crackdown by regulators in the United States? Token related to cryptocurrency games now collecting and games VI were worth accumulative total of nearly 10 billion as one mid-August give or take few number might depending on whether you want to include partially how count the number of tokens the project technically have in correction and so one in the sense whether in the game are legal is a 10 billion question that the investor have considered and thus oversight the may sound regular. The tavern in the DFI Kingdom Ruby Taka is the opinion editor contemplated the Tavern DF Kingdom Takala. Geo founder Vitalik Buterin suggests to export cryptocurrency for payment. The unofficial to characters and the key examples. Buterin made a comment in the Twitter thread on August 2004, explaining that it's not resistant to censorship but also self-financing the mass cryptocurrency superior when it comes to international business security and the open payment with countries. But this made comment in the Twitter thread out Augustus to explaining to that it's not resistance cryptocurrency superior when it comes to international business security and even payment within countries. thank you. That's all for me. That's all for me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.